Welcome to Prognozy Capital, where we provide you with the latest market update. As of the 8th of December 2023, the Nifty index showed positive performance, closing at 20,969.4 and experiencing an increase of 68.25 points. There was short covering observed with a decrease in open interest by 6,212 contracts. In terms of Nifty options, there was a buildup in the 14th of December 2023 expiry. The resistance or call option open interest buildup was seen at 21,000, with an increase of 32.28%. On the other hand, the support or put option open interest buildup was observed at 20,000, with a rise of 29.34%. It is worth noting that new call writers shifted up from 21,000 to 22,000, while new put writers shifted up from 20,000 to 20,300. Both new writers moving on the upside suggests a bullish setup. Similarly, the banknifty index also displayed positive performance, closing at 47,262 and witnessing a gain of 420.6 points. Long buildups were observed with an increase in open interest by 6,073.8 contracts. In terms of banknifty options, there was a buildup in the 13th of December 2023 expiry. The resistance or call option open interest buildup was seen at 49,000, with a rise of 28.22%. On the other hand, the support or put option open interest buildup was observed at 47,000, with a significant increase of 180.15%. It is interesting to note that both new call writers and new put writers remained at the same strike, suggesting a range-bound session. In the cash market, foreign institutional investors, FII, bought 3,632.3 CR. While domestic institutional investors, DII, sold -434.02 CR. Moving on to the futures and options market, FII bought 359.79 CR in index futures and 12,104.34 CR in index options. They also bought 228.26 CR in stocks futures but sold 187.75 CR in stocks options. Overall, FII had a net buying of 12,504.64 CR in the futures and options market. In the world of index futures, the FII has made some interesting moves. They have added 2,376 long contracts and closed 2,127 short contracts. As a result, the FII is now net long in the index with 36,052 contracts, compared to the previous 31,549 contracts. Turning our attention to stocks futures, the FII has added 3,627 long contracts and 1,817 short contracts. This means that they are now net long in stocks with 149,732 contracts, compared to the previous 147,922 contracts. Now, let's dive into index options. There are some bullish buildups happening here. The FII has added 198,340 call long contracts and 204,545 put short contracts. In total, the call long and put short contracts for the day amount to 402,885 contracts. On the flip side, there are also bearish buildups in index options. The FII has added 290,265 put long contracts and 153,502 call short contracts. The total put long and call short contracts for the day come to 443,767 contracts. When we analyze the FII's index options, we see that they have a net put long of 263,492 contracts, compared to the previous 177,772 contracts. Additionally, their net call long is 234,969 contracts, compared to the previous 190,131 contracts. Interestingly, the option buildups on the short side are more significant than on the long side. This suggests that the upside may be limited. Thank you so much for tuning in. We truly appreciate your support and would love for you to join our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well, where we share even more exciting content. For more information and updates, make sure to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Once again, thank you for watching.